Hello, and I am doing the water displacement experiment. I have been following the scientific method and I have gotten a lot of results. If you do not know what the scientific method, well, I will show you. First, there's purpose, there's research, there's hypothesis, there's experiments, there's analyzation, and there's conclusion. So if you do not know what those mean, purpose means why are you doing it. Research is the work that you might do to research to know what you need to do. Hypothesis is basically what you think is going to happen when you're doing the experiment. Analyze is when you analyze, it's when you look at the results and will basically figure out what they mean. And finally, the conclusion is where you've done the whole experiment and you might come up with some more questions to ask. Okay, once again, I'm doing the water displacement experiment, and first off, I'm going to start with my purpose. My purpose is to see how much water I need to put in my bathtub. Okay, so I've measured the volume of my bathtub, and in length it's 140 centimeters, width 70 centimeters, and depth 36 centimeters. But I only want to fill it up to 2/3, so I divided 36 by 3, and that equals 12. Then I did 12 times 2 equals 24. Then I did 140 times 70 times 24 equals 253,200 centimeters cubed. And in litres, that is 253.2 litres. That's a lot. Okay, so now we are going on to my hypothesis. My hypothesis is that when I get in the bath, I will only have to use a minimum amount of water so it fills up to the 2/3 line. So what I'll have to do is I will have to get in the bathtub first, then measure the amount of water that I put in until it gets to the 2/3 line. But first, what I'm going to do is a mini experiment. So I'm going to get a measuring jug and I'm going to pretend that's the bath. Then I'm going to place something in it to see up to where the water goes. Okay, now I'm going to put this in here. And it was at 1/2 litre. Now it has gone up to about, let's see, so just above 600 millilitres. There we go. There. So this represents the bath, and that would represent me going in the bath. So you can see it goes up. The water goes up.